You want to invest in a business, you just hear invest 200,000 naira, you get 1-2 in 3 months, and you invest in the business. Then when the thing don't work, you now come out and be shouting, scammers, Ponzi, scammers. But when you were doing the deal, nobody was there with you. Wisdom has come for you today. Carry a chair, grab a chair, and let's talk. How is your small business owner? You have to be aware of. Hello guys, I'm Ruth Ekrigwe Solomon, your SME lawyer. So today I want to talk about something that has been happening on this space. Plenty of people have been talking about it and all. 10 things you should know about investing. You should look out for before you start investing. You should just know before you start investing. Let me go ahead with it. So financial literacy is important if you want to do investments. It's related to the first point. Financial literacy, you have to know what is financial, like what is finance, how you have to know the different levels, you have to know what it takes, you have to know the options available, you have to, you might not be an expert, but financial literacy is important in helping you decide the best option for you, the best companies to invest in, the best sectors that can give you return, safe options. We have safe options, we have risky options but can give you a lot of returns, and all of that you have to be aware. Just know. And even if you have to pay to access this financial literacy, it's important for you so that you will not lose out eventually. Remember, you want to save your money, your hard-earned money. You don't want to lose it. And the thing is that if you know this thing, nobody can take it. That's what you know, nobody can take it from you. Knowledge is something that stays with you. So if you have to learn it, if you have to do all you need to do, pay, get a coach or something so that you can just have this understanding is important. It will help you a lot in your investment journey. So now, if you are a starter, you are just starting to invest in bits. Don't invest massively, so that when you are losing too, you lose in bits. I'm not saying you will lose. I'm not saying you will lose, but should in case anything happen of that sort, you can be prepared for it. So you cannot just say you made your first 1 million naira ever in this life and you want to put it into investment. That might not really be the best option that you have, because you've not even started a millionaire lifestyle. You don't know what it takes. You understand what I mean? Invest in bits. Invest like 200, 300, 500, something that even if it goes, virtue has left you, but you still have some battery remaining. When you put everything, it is well. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Invest in bits. The more you understand, invest, keep investing, and then keep investing, and all of that. And another point again, you can also, spread the investment. If you feel like, okay, I'm not too sure this, or this can spread it, maybe you can put it in real estate, put a bit in real estate, put a bit in another sector. I'm not giving you sectors because I'm an investment banker, so I'm not in the right position to give you that, but I'm just saying you can spread it across, Even the Bible says, spread your seeds. So on the first day to the 7th day, on the 8th day, you don't know whether it's this one that will work or it's this one that will work. But spread it. As you spread it in bits, you'll be able to, gauge your ability to handle risk, and then give you options. That's basically what it does. It gives you options. So all of them, now their village people cannot all follow you, at least 1 or 2 may work. Now, like I said, investment, the beauty of investment is the compounding effect. So for instance, if you put in 1,000 naira, at the end of the year, it might be 1,350, depending on the return on the business. But if you continue, at the end of 10 years, now 1,350 can become 1 million. Why? Compounding effect, investing, compounding effect, investing, compounding effect, investing. Once you continue to invest, there's compounding effect. But now, you're just going into the world of investment. You can try short term, mid term, before you go long term. Since you've not done that before, you can try short term, maybe 3 to 6 months, then 6 to 18 months, then 18 months to 5 years, then 5 years to 10 years. Do you get what I'm saying? So you can do it in bits such that you can get used to it. They are all stages and phases. But if you feel like you can go straight up to 10 years, what else? I celebrate grace. Now, due diligence. That's the next point, due diligence. So you see people that want to invest, they talk to everybody except their lawyer. Are you serious? You don't talk to your lawyer, you don't talk to an investment banker, you don't talk to professionals that know this thing, an accountant or someone that understands the financials that can help you do a due diligence to check if that sector, that business that you want to invest in, is worth it, if they have the proper value, if they're even approved by the government, or you just want to throw your money into the thin air. Do due diligence. You will pay, but it's not cheap, it's not free, but it is costly and not to pay, and now end up losing everything. So check weigh your costs. What do you want? Do you want to get a professional to help you do due diligence apart from your own, or you just want to just put everything and sit? Or if you perish, you perish. It's your perishing. If you broke, now your business. So just make sure you do those things, and you will be able to be proud of yourself eventually that you made a good investment. So this next point is the final admonishment. Investment is still known and effective way of growing wealth. So this video is not to discourage you from investing, but to show you the things you should prepare yourself for. Which man will go on a journey without being prepared? So it's also to show you how to prepare yourself for it. And the beauty of investment is in the long term. The more you compound, the more beautiful it is. You understand? The more you compound, the more beautiful it is. So investment is something you should do. It helps you to grow your capital, helps you to grow your wealth, and helps you to have a lot of options. It's not a very smooth road, but it's worth it. Okay? So I hope this helped you, this 10 cents advice helped you, saved you, prepared you for a journey, spurred you, or whatever. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video so that I can keep coming up and giving you juicy content. See ya!